Hello everyone, welcome to my third flute lesson. Today I'm going to show you how to play the notes B, A and G. First things first, when you're playing the flute, try and make sure everything you do with your body is as close to your natural, relaxed position as you can do. So that means keep your shoulders down, nice long neck, relaxed chest and shoulders and arms, nice and low. I'm going to start by showing you what to do with your right hand. So first of all, shake out your hand. And you should be able to see that your fingers are nice and curved over and that your finger is in line with your thumb here. So I'm going to try and keep that hand position when I put my right hand on the flute. So I'm going to start by putting my little right hand finger, my pinky finger, on the top key of the foot joint. Then for my thumb, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3 keys up and put my thumb underneath there for now. The remaining 3 fingers, I'm going to try and keep them quite close to the keys, nice and curved, not sticking out straight like this, and definitely not resting on the mechanism like this. So just keeping everything else away. So you've just got your pinky finger on the bottom of the foot joint, your thumb underneath the 3rd key up, and the other 3 fingers hovering. Okay, on to my left hand, slightly more tricky for the left hand. Might need to turn around in a minute to show you. So I want you to look for, here we go, the place where your finger and your hand come into contact with each other in here. I'm going to push my finger back slightly to make a sort of C shape in there, and the flute's going to rest in here. Basically, if you find the 2nd key down, try and rest, that's the point where you want to try and rest the flute on. Then on the back here, I've got 2 thumb keys. I've got a choice of 2. It's the big one here, the long big one that I want to put my thumb on to start with, like this. And then to play my first note, the B, I am going to curl my top finger round so that it's pushing down, not the very top key, but the one beneath that. There. So that's my B. It should sound like this. Next note was the A. So for the A, you want to push down 1 more finger, leave everything how it was for your B, and then just add this next finger. We're going to skip out another key and push on here. That's my A fingering. And finally, my G, I'm going to keep the A fingers as they are and just add 1 more finger. So my 3rd finger here, going down on this key here. So I've got 1, 2, 3 pushing down on the top, thumb pushing down underneath, and that's my G. So your aim is to be able to do that without turning around to look at what your fingers are doing. Plenty of practice of joining all 3 of them together like this. Until you're really confident that you can find the place for your fingers without looking. The closer that you can keep your fingers to the keys and the more curved you can get them, the easier that's going to be. You can also try it backwards, so start from the G and go up to the B. So that's your B, A and G. In the next video, I'll be talking about posture, how to stand when you're playing your instrument. Okay, bye-bye for now.